Nikki had a realization about yesterday's, and that's why we got a dupe. What was your realization? What did you realize?
We didn't do the head hug.
We didn't do the head hug, right? So, we'll do that today. Now, one or two.
One.
One. Numero uno.
What's
Spanish for number one. Don't you take Spanish at school?
no?
Okay. Uh-oh. Boom! Yes! There we go, everybody! Look at that pretty duck. Our little crystal lady. Wow! Number 218. Got that grail. Let's come over here and turn that baby green. Look at that. Wow! We need that mini. We don't have a mini grail. What's going on? Look at that. Guys, this is good.
We had a Mickey Grail.
Yeah, we have a Mickey Grail.
And who was the third?
Pluto.
Pluto. We had a Pluto Grail.
Well, thank you to the awesome Cryptoys team that have given us the opportunity to filter. We can do this. And we can go to our blister packs. And that's where I needed to do it. Mickey and Friends Volume 1. And let's do it again. Let me get this out of the way. Move our faces out of the way. And Grail. See, 2 Grails. 2 Mickey and Friends Grails. And there they are. There's our little crystal Mickey. Hey?
There's always something on it that's not.
Yeah, his eyes and his gloves, maybe. Oh, no, maybe his gloves are.
His gloves are.
Yeah.
His eyes.
I guess just a string can't be. That makes sense. Huh?
I mean, they could have made shiny.
Yeah, maybe. There he is. Hiya, pal. All right. And look at that puppy.
Pluto.
Look at that little puppy.
There has to be something. There's
his eye.
usually something that's not crystal besides the eyes.
Well, doesn't seem like in this one. Well, there you go. So, yep. Yep. Good stuff. All right. 1, 2, go. Once again. So there we go. Look at that. We've totally matched Donald and Daisy. I wonder if we're going to finally get a rare, or maybe we get a dupe. I guess we'll see. All right, friends. 1 to go. See you. Remember I said numero uno in Spanish? We'll see you mañana. What do you think that is?
Tomorrow?
Yeah!
I have a question.
What's your question?
Numero and uno, how are they both one?
They're not. Numero means number.
Oh.
Here you go. We learned something. Okay, that concludes your Spanish lesson for the day, and we'll see you tomorrow.